How to find successful Shopify dropshipping store. Finding successful Shopify dropshipping store can provide valuable insight and inspire you for your own e-commerce business. Here are some strategies to help you identify and study successful dropshipping stores. So there are various methods on how you can do it. Make sure to stick with us till the end. The first step is you can go ahead and visit Shopify Exchange Marketplace. The Shopify Exchange Marketplace allows you to borrow and purchase existing Shopify stores. You can filter store by needs, price, and revenue to find successful stores that are up for sale. While buying a store may not be your goal, this platform can still provide valuable insight into what's working. Apart from it, you can also go to e-commerce directories. Now use online e-commerce directories and marketplace like myip.ms or BuiltWith or StoreLead to discover Spotify stores. These platforms also provide data on stores, technology stacks, traffic, and loading. Apart from it, you can also utilize your social media platform like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter to search for the post. Many successful stores have active social media profiles while they showcase their product and engage with the customers. Conduct Google searches. You can also do the Google searches. You can just go ahead and open up a browser, and then on the search box you can type in how to find successful Shopify dropshipping, and here you'll be able to find multiple results. You can go through it and select either one of it and apply the method. So apart from it, you can also participate in e-commerce forum like Shopify's own community or other platforms like Ecommerce Fuels, Reddit, or our Dropship and Warrior platform. So membership often shares and discuss stressful stores they've come across. You can also use the tools like Product Mafia and Sell the Trend focus on trending and successful product, often with information about the stores that sells them. You can also pay attention to online ads and sponsored posts on social media platforms. Successful stores often invest in advertising, can reach a wider audience. Once you've thoroughly analyzed them, study their product offering, website design, marketing strategies, customer engagement, and any unique selling proposition. This research can help you refine your own dropshipping business strategies and improve your chances of success. So that's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.